Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. So I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern. You can make scarf, baby blanket, baby's dress, cardigan, hat. So this is pretty good pattern and easy also for beginners too. So I will show you how you can crochet this pattern. So first I'm gonna loop. So this my hook is a bit loose. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So this pattern is you can make any number of chain, even or odd you can make. I'm gonna make in second chain. So make single crochet, I will show you something secret of this pattern. So I'm gonna continue like this. I will show you at the end. I'm gonna continue with single crochet, then I'll show you. Viewers, I am at the end. So I made single crochet row, then I'm gonna make chain 1. So yarn over. I'm gonna make this knot which I made chain 1. This is the very first stitch. I'm gonna make half double crochet slip stitch like this, yarn over. Always now I'm gonna make in back loop. Okay, the secret is when you make this slip stitch, then you have to keep this finger on this, don't let it tight. So like this, then you can easy take here. Each stitch like this. Always back loop, it will go in one row. This pattern like this. Okay, viewers, continue like this. I will show you at the end, otherwise it takes too long. I have one stitch at the end, yarn over. I would like to make a 2 loop and one make slip stitch. It's good if you make like this, chain 1, yarn over again, same process. Okay, don't let this tight, this loop. I'm gonna continue like this. Back loop. If a beginner, this pattern is easy, but for beginner this slip stitch may hard, but otherwise this pattern is so easy. If you know trick this, keep finger top of this, yarn over. Always I would like to make here 2 loops, chain 1. Again you can see this pretty good pattern. Other side you can see also. Again yarn over, back, always back loop, so I'm gonna continue like this. This pattern is for heart, is very good pattern. Scarf, heart, you can mix that. So continue like this. The end one, take both loops, then make slip stitch, chain 1 again. Which yarn I use? This yarn is for special for baby. Too, you can make with this baby's thing, baby's heart, baby blanket, baby's cardigan. It's so soft yarn. That one not soft. This the rope is really hard, thick one. Sorry, I don't like to make like. Sometimes this hook went somewhere, it's going somewhere. Then and one, we will take 2 loops, chain 1. Oh, what's wrong with you? So viewers, you can see this is so easy pattern. You can see both sides. Again yarn over, back loop always. So I'm gonna continue like this. This pattern just in one row, nothing changed. For example, I would like to give you, for example, if you want to make baby's heart or any heart, medium size lady's heart, then you have to make this for heart. Make 52 chains, then 41 chain make like this, then 10 chains. In 10 chains just make like in the back loop slip stitch like this, slip stitch. This is for heart if you want to make heart. So this is where the will go pom pom in here, and then you have to 10 like this from here to here, so like slip stitch. So scarf you can make like this, I'm doing. So with this wool sometimes too. So end one, make chain one. So I'm gonna continue like this. So I hope you can understand now this pattern. Really pretty pattern. When you make, then you can see. So I hope you like this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. I hope you will love it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. Have a good day.